Skills market equals time to sharpen yours. Hey there, sellers, let's get real. This market, it is not 2021 anymore. You can't just slap a price on it and wait for the offers to roll in. That game is over. There is a skills market now, and sellers who get in it win. Those who don't, their homes just sit. Here's the deal. Inventory is climbing and buyers have choices again. That's right, competition is heating up, and 8 out of 10 sellers are still pricing like it's the pandemic boom. But nearly half of them sold below asking this spring. Ouch! This isn't just a few spots either. Even California saw 18% of its listings with price cuts. So if your home isn't selling, it's overpriced, period. The key? Smart pricing, eye-catching marketing, and strong negotiations from the jump. This isn't let's pray anymore, it's list to win. Let's talk strategy before more listings hit and things get even tougher. I'm Cheryl Folks with eXp Realty, backed by over 20 years experience and ready to help you price it right, stand out, and sell smart. Give us a call.